All right, so it is officially Shemini Atzeret in Israel. On the Hebrew calendar, the Jewish calendar, it's Shemini Atzeret. The first great day was it's 2 days. Shemini Atzeret, Simchat Torah. Just after sunset, it's 3 a.m. there, so it's already into here, in Tishri. Shemini Atzeret, the great day of assembly, Feast of Booths, Tabernacles in Israel. Sunset here, it will turn into the first day. Here, check this out. Now, this chapter of John is talking about tabernacles and what Jesus was doing, but notice how it says, but when the Jewish Feast of Tabernacles was near. They were all Jewish. Comes out of Jewish tradition. Why would they specifically say when the Jewish Festival of Tabernacles was near? Because the calendars are off? So here's where we're at. On the last and greatest day of the festival, Feast of Booths, Tabernacles, Shemini Atzeret is the last great day, the great 8th day, the 8th day of assembly. Jesus stood and cried out. If anyone thirsts, let him come to me and drink. Beautiful, right? It's on this day. It's just interesting when you correlate the Bible to what days. On the Jewish Feast of Tabernacles, remember, on God's calendar, that's not going to be till next month, after Feast of Trumpets and after all that. Feast of Trumpets, Days of Atonement. Feast of Trumpet, Days of Awe, Day of Atonement, and then the 8th day of Tabernacles until the great 8th day, which is 2 days. One long day. Now, look how John 7 ends. And they all went home. Then the meeting broke up and everybody went home. Then each went to his own home. Here in John 14:3, and if I go and prepare a place for you, a home for you, I will come back and take you to be with me, that you may also be where I am. And if I go and prepare a place for you, no, I'll come back. He's preparing a place. Why are you preparing a place? He's going to come back, take us to this place. John 7 is talking about the great 8th day, Shemini Atzeret, which on the Jews, the Jewish Festival of Tabernacles was near. So this was probably just a couple days after Day of Atonement. And this is on that last and great day of the festival. Shemini Atzeret, Shimchat Torah. Shimchat Torah is when they start redoing the Torah portions and start rereading. Start from the beginning, all the way to the next Shimchat Torah, then they start again. That's that cycle of reading, going through the Torah, right? On the last and great day of the festival, Jesus stood and said in a loud voice, let anyone who is thirsty come and drink. That's today. In the Jewish festival. So if you notice, first quarter, full moon, you would expect last quarter here, but it's here. This is because of the moon's ecliptical anomaly. But anyways, I think we're in a lull, but if